right, so now my cauliflower is done. Yep, it's done for sure. The next part of this recipe is very simply, everything gets done in the food processor. And those of you that know me know I love my food processor. So all I'm going to do is carefully, because now it's actually tender and you don't want the cauliflower falling all over the place, you're gonna put it in the food processor, and then we're gonna add our other yummy ingredients in this. All right, so that's about almost half of our cauliflower there. The next part of this is a little bit of pepper will go in, a little bit of salt as well. Salt makes everything better, but in all my recipes, it's always the salt is to taste. A little bit of sriracha, maybe a tablespoon. Nothing much, you want a little bit of buzz there. The creaminess factor now is half a stick of butter will go in. Nothing complicated. And this, my friends, cream cheese. You're gonna add 1 full pack, 250 grams of cream cheese. And this will actually, you don't have to pre-soften it. Now, it's been out for a while here, but the heat from our cauliflower will actually really soften this up anyway. And just break it up into chunks as well, because that's what's gonna make it kind of melt down a little bit faster. Let me grab my towel, get cleaned up just a little bit here. All right, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Again, maybe a tablespoon or 2 Greek extra virgin olive oil. And we continue building with our cauliflower here. So now, after our butter and cream cheese and our other seasonings are in, we just continue to fill it up to about there is good. By the way, you can also smell the garlic that's actually boiled down with the water, and it's actually gonna be fantastic. So, whiz that up. So now it's been about 30, 40 seconds or so. It's continuing to puree down. So we add more of our cauliflower to this. And the pieces are getting smaller, so I think what I may do is actually grab a slotted spoon and start fishing. So that's ready to go. And whiz that up again. All right, so our cauliflower mash is pretty much ready to go. Let me just place this here, get rid of some of this, and let me grab a bowl so we can put it in. And this is absolutely marvelous. You guys should really smell this. It is absolutely unbelievable. Just put that there. And it's ready to go. I'm gonna grab a spatula and look at this. It is creamy, it is velvety, it is so freaking delicious. Just the smell of this, if I can get hooked, believe me when I tell you, your friends may not even know what this is. And that's perfect right there. That's absolutely perfect. So my dear friends, that's it for this episode of my ultimate or the best cauliflower low-carb keto recipe you're probably ever gonna try. I'm super excited about this. I think if you guys try this, you will be too. So until next time, I'm Ken. Thank you very much for watching. Please smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, see ya.